Head. Everything is good. We have 2013 Toyota Venza. Customer's radio gone bad. Can you put it in reverse? Let me see if the reverse works. Reverse doesn't work either. But she said reverse can work, but I guess it doesn't. We're gonna replace the radio with Android radio, so she can get the Carplay, Android Auto. Hopefully backup cam comes back to life. Let's see. So it comes with all the harnesses. Comes with the radio. USB, Wi-Fi antenna. Everything comes with. Even little panel popper. And external mic. The first thing we're gonna do is remove this center dash. You just pull that out. No special trick. Then you got screw right here. And you're gonna remove this heater control. And on the part of it, there should be 4 pin mils. There's 2 here, 2 all the way far back. You're gonna need a long extension to reach. Now for this one, you're gonna need one of those swivel one because it kind of goes deep under, like L-shaped a little bit. So the straight one may not fit. So the passenger side should be okay, but the driver side, you may need a swivel adapter because it's kind of hitting it. Let me get the swivel one. So with multiple different adapters, you're just gonna match the plug. Okay. Just plug in all this. I'm just gonna try the basic functions, then we're gonna connect all these harnesses on the back of the radio. Right? Let's put it in reverse and see if it goes into reverse. Nope. Does it even have a backup pin? Check that.
I don't see the backup.
We're gonna learn the steering wheel control. Press one button, press another one on the steering wheel. Once it's learned, it's gonna say success on it. So you have to learn one by one. So we are doing volume up and down, mode, tuning up and down. Maybe, where's the other option? Did you learn the mode?
Mode, yes.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, is there a phone option? Let's try the phone option. So,
Answer.
no, answer, okay. Okay, hang up. Okay,
Gotta be next, I think.
next, okay. Why is it already highlighted? As if it's already learned. No? Huh. All right, so if you want to learn steering wheel, go to home button, go to settings. Is it settings? No. Where was it? It's this one, wasn't it? Okay, then you go to the steering wheel control, right here. You press the volume up on the control, and when you're done, you go out, you hit the radio, and when you hit the buttons, it works. So that works. So we just got to install the backup cam because factory one does not have any backup cam on it, so we're going to install this high definition cam and transfer the switches and air vent right here. We should be good to go. Right, so we're going to transfer the switches on the top. There are locking clips on top and bottom, so you're going to need one of those, a panel remover, and bend it away the tabs and remove the switch. Still. Okay. All right, let's remove these. Right.
No heat.
Yes, it does.
No.
Yes, it does. It fits.
Different.
It ain't no different. It's the same.
No.
Yes. Beautiful.
Really fit.
The other side is in?
Yep.
Just play with it. This side is in. I just heard it click.
This side is a little way.
It's okay. Let's see. I put the switches in. Beautiful. Everything works. All right. Just got to run the backup cables and you're good to go. This back panel, you don't need any special tools. You just pull this down, these plastic clips holding on to it. You just force it out, no screws. Then you take the side clips out. Same thing. No special trick. You just pull this out, take this out if you want to. You don't have to. Then we're going to run the wire through this grommet right here. And you pull down the headliner. We're going to run RCA all the way up. So this red and black wire that gets power, we have two ways to do it. We can tie this together, the red wire together along with the RCA. You connect that to the positive side of the reverse light and the black wire to the ground. And when you run this RCA up front, that's going to be trigger for the reverse cam up front. So you connect that to the ground wire for the reverse. Or the other way is to connect this one to reverse, run this wire up front, power and ground, ignition. So if you do it that way, you can actually go to the reverse cam mode and view while you're driving. Well, we're just going to do it as a reverse cam. This is the light right here. I'm going to go here. The wire. Right here. So right here. Right here. Right. So right here. Oh, shit. Maybe I said anything out here. This is the light. We're not letting it. We're just going to go fine. It's going to go there. I'm just everyone like that's it. We all settled. We're going to take a wire again. There are two wires, obviously. Gray wire and white black. We think white black is ground because that's the ground point, that's white black. Along with all this white black tied together as ground. So we assume this white black is also negative side. So we're going to tie this one to the gray wire as a plus. White black as a minus, which goes to black wire here. So we did connect the power right here. As I said, the gray wire is the power, white black is the negative, it's the ground. We tie the red wire from the RCA and the red wire for the power connection together, tied into this gray wire, black wire to white black wire. RCA plugged in, we tape alongside of the factory harness, and we're going to come down here, we're going to pop this out, run the wire down, and run it up front. Just simply pull that on both sides.
It's different. Okay.
You run the wire from the top all the way up to here. Then we're going to run the RCA back to the radio to connect. So use a little snake, run the wire from side, and remove the air vent, run behind the radio. That is RCA radio cable along with the reverse trigger wire. This brown wire is a reverse trigger wire, and you connect to the red wire, which we connected to the reverse light in the back.
I got the pink.
That goes to reverse cam input. Voila.
Ooh la la.
That works.
I'm the best.
Let's make sure the Carplay works.
No need to play video.
Oh yes. That's the video. Where is the Carplay?
No, no. It's a video.
Z-Link 5 is either Carplay or Android Auto. You connect your Bluetooth. Then Carplay or Android Auto should work. Usually it says car kit on all these Android. You know what? Sometimes the Z-Link only works for highway, the earphone. Let's see. There is another one. Let's see. Here we go. The other one we connect the Bluetooth. Let's try
I
it.
got it.
You got it?
Cavity.
It's a car BT?
Yeah.
Where is it? This? No.
Wait.
It's connected?
It's gonna. I gotta show you.
Oh, okay. So the first
This is
icon.
for Apple.
Okay, it's connecting. There is a little circle right there in the middle. Alright. Android Auto pops up.
Voila.
It works. So you can do weather. Sometime today's fine.
In Union, it's 88 and mostly cloudy. Today, it'll be sunny with a high of 88 and a low of 68.
It works. Wait, USB.
It's here.
Okay. Everything is good. Alright, we gotta put this back in for her. That adapter she had. But everything is good. We're gonna put the microphone right up here. It should be good. Will we connect all the plugs behind?
Yes.
This one connected? Yep. Okay. Wait, this one is outside. Okay. Where's the USB? I plugged in USB.
Oh, this transformer?
No. I gave her one USB so we can just bring it out.
This one?
No, there's one already plugged in. It's behind it. Yeah, I plugged it in. 100%. See? Doesn't lie to you. Okay. Right from here. Yeah, this is good. We're going to put dum-dum right there. All right, and this, we're going to bring it down. All right, let's put reverse one more time, make sure everything's still good. Yep, that works. Okay. All right, let's put this center dash on. Right there.
It's here.
Wait, there's something here. It's hitting it on the middle. What is it? Maybe
Maybe
these
this.
RCAs, maybe.
No.
No?
Maybe this is too long.
I don't think so. No, that goes down here.
Maybe this is too long.
Let's try one more time. Let's bend it.
No.
Cut that off. All right, that's good. No, yeah, that's good.
I don't feel good.
No, that's good. Wait.
I don't worry.
Oh, okay. Is it AC on?
Huh?
How do I know AC is on?
AC is on.
Where?
Sure.
Oh, it's up there. Oh, okay, okay. Gotcha. Wait, USB?
Still.
Okay. Everything is good. Alright, we gotta put this back in for her. That adapter she had. But everything is good.